kidding me?
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Nathan. Now we promise this isn't clickbait, this isn't actually a Qatar video. Nope, this is just a layover on our way to Budapest from Thailand. But boy oh boy, what a journey it was. Ready? We made it to the Budapest airport and thankfully I am well rested.
So am I, but I have a really bad hair day.
We did some research while we were in Qatar and found out about a card that allows unlimited public transit rides and gives you access to over 30 locations in the city, as well as discounts here and there. It's a timed card you can purchase anywhere from 24 hours to 120 hours, which is what we got. We used Get Your Guide to buy it. As soon as you get to the airport, find this kiosk and redeem your purchase. You are now free to enjoy Budapest. Just don't be like Kevin and lose yours right away. More on that later.
Much better. We're just waiting on bus 200E to take us out of the airport.
That bus will drop you off at this train station. From here you can take the train that goes downtown. However, you'll have to rely heavily on English-speaking locals, as we saw no signs or maps anywhere. We're hoping this is the right train. Quick side note. If you weren't aware, Budapest is the capital of Hungary. About 1.8 million people live here. While Hungary is part of the European Union, they do not use the euro. Their currency is called forint.
I hope we're doing this right. We just have this on us at all times. We'll see. Are you enjoying this odyssey?
You betcha.
Well, that was a journey. Definitely take a taxi if you can. We wanted to save money because we had that Budapest card, but there were just so many transfers and the trains didn't really announce the stops, so we were just trying to figure out where to get off. But we're here, so I guess we made it. Our place has a nice terrace with a view.
We did have a shower, by the way. Nathan was just being a drama queen.
We just unpacked a little, and now it is time to go to the zoo. This is one of the deepest metro stations I've ever seen.
So the very first time we got on the subway, I put my Budapest card in my backpack. When we got out, there were people checking that you had your ticket. Of course I couldn't find mine to save my life, and I ended up paying a fee of about $50. So yeah. Keep your card available at all times. Luckily, I eventually found that card.
We have seen so far that the trains don't really have labels anywhere, but if you find something like this, over there it's telling you the direction and then all of the stops that it will stop at. We're trying to go to Mexico. There's been a change of plans. We're actually very hungry, so we're just gonna go and have some lunch.
I am not hungry, I am in Hungary.
We came to Paprika, there was a wait, but apparently we're famous, so they set us right away.
We get the goulash soup.
On the way there, we saw this elevated park. It looks pretty cool. I guess those Budapest cards are easy to misplace. Guess who lost his now? Oh wow, he found it.
It was just laying in the middle of the street.
We flew in from Thailand today, and unlike there, here they drive on the right. On the way to the zoo, you can find Heroes Square.
It's one of the main squares of Budapest. Here, you'll find the statues of the 7 chiefs from the tribes that founded the city. You're my hero, baby!
My shoes are supposed to be waterproof, but I don't want to risk it. Uber doesn't operate here, so public transportation is going to be your best bet. I would recommend getting the Budapest card or a public transportation card. We're at the zoo. You can use your Budapest card to get a discount here. We stumbled upon a music festival. Okay, Nathan claims to be an expert at Braille.
Yeah, but it'll still be in Hungarian.
Oh, hello. If you're like us and you get very thirsty but you don't know how to read Hungarian, there are 2 options. This one right here, the pink one, that's still water, but if you find the blue one, that is sparkling water. And that of course only applies to places that have 2 options, like here at the zoo. Finishing the evening here at the zoo with some music.
Our last activity for the day will be a sightseeing tour on the Danube River. We're using Legenda City Cruises because we get a discount with our Budapest card. However, there are plenty of other companies that you could look through. We also get a complimentary drink, and we're going to do champagne.
Those bugs are having a field day. We're trying to find pier number 7 for a boat tour. That looks amazing. It is 9:30 p.m. on a Sunday, and there are still a lot of people out and about. I can't believe there are open parking spots. That would never happen in the US, especially in an area like this. That's a very long boat. We found pier number 7.
We got on our 10:15 tour.
The price includes a 1-hour tour, a drink, and an audio guide.
We were able to see some beautiful sights along the Danube. However, I am not gonna lie, I may or may not have fallen asleep at some point. In my defense, I was very jet lagged. Anyway, the most beautiful sight hands down was this, the Hungarian Parliament building.
That was very relaxing, and it is way past our bedtime, so we'll see you on the next one.
Hey all you wanderers out there, thanks for watching our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to find out what we're VagaBound to next. And remember, you are beautiful.